Just mix together, apply to remove those stubborn stretch marks. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. How are you all doing today? I believe you are doing fine. Like you see from the title, this is especially for those that want to get rid of those stubborn stretch marks that refuses to go. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you will come and watch. Get rid of those stretch marks, be it butt stretch marks, stomach stretch marks, thigh stretch marks, arm stretch marks. If you are pregnant, this is not for you. The ingredients are very effective, works amazingly. So without wasting time, let me show you how to treat those stretch marks, get rid of them, and also help to remove cellulite as well. To remove those stubborn stretch marks, be it new stretch marks or old stretch marks, you have to use potato. So we are going to be making use of potato juice because it's highly effective when it comes to removing skin problems like cellulite, stretch marks, pigmentations, and the rest. So you have to wash it, remove the peel, then grate it or blend it to extract the juice from it. So you have to extract the juice from it. It's just a little juice you need, okay? About 1 tablespoon. If you want to get more juice, just go ahead and add more water or blend it. If you blend it, you will get more water from it, more juice, okay? So this is 1 tablespoon of potato juice. This is the right quantity I need. The next ingredient you have to get is baking soda. Baking soda will help to get rid of dead skin cells, removing the stretch marks, the surface. As you make use of it, it's going to fade away those stretch marks gradually until there are no stretch marks anymore. Half tablespoon of baking soda will do. Just mix it like this. Do not apply this treatment on your face, please, because the quantity of baking soda is really much. So you also have to use either lemon juice or orange juice. They both contain citric acid, vitamin C, that will help to nourish your skin, get those stretch marks lighter, lighten those stretch marks, and reduce their appearance. So I'm going to squeeze about 2 tablespoons of orange juice or lemon juice. So you have to mix it thoroughly like this. This is a very perfect stretch mark treatment. Very important to take care of those stretch marks. If you don't have all the ingredients, you have to check my channel, okay? Try any other stretch marks treatments. They are all very effective. After mixing, just go ahead and apply it on those stretch marks like this. You can use a cotton wool to apply it. This remedy is very, very potent, very effective and strong. Do not allow it to get into your eyes or private area in case you have stretch marks between your thighs. Okay, don't apply it in your private. Just apply it. If you are breastfeeding, do not apply it on your breast if you have stretch marks on your breast. After applying it, you have to allow it to stay for more than 30 minutes. Do not rinse it off immediately. After 30 minutes or above, go ahead and wash it off. Then apply almond oil. Almond oil, vitamin E oil, or olive oil. These are the oils that is very important to moisturize that place you have stretch marks. But make sure after this treatment, wait for 30 minutes or above. As you apply this treatment, be scrubbing it like this. Okay, it will help to remove dead skin cells. And also, this treatment can be applied all over the body to make sure your skin is looking very beautiful. Repeat this treatment every day or every other day for best results. Your stretch marks will fade away, and with time you won't have them anymore. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.